I want to share some tips, tricks, and ideas of great things you could do with these really cool stencils. Now, the stencils come, these are very good quality. The company was kind enough to send them to me. The stencils come in a set and they all have this hole up here at the top, and it comes with this metal piece so that you can hook them together so you don't lose them, so they stay nice and neat, nice and organized. Let's see if I can get this together. I need my glasses. Okay, so I'm not gonna be able to do this right at the moment. But anyway, you get the idea. So let me go through these. These are all wildflowers. This is a pretty large size. This is bigger than 8.5 by 11. I'm gonna guess these are probably 11 by 14. So like legal size. Here's another one. So they're all different. They have Queen Anne's lace and lavender and sunflowers and daisies. There are, let's see, I think there are 6 of them, yes. Now, some of the things that you can do with these, you could stencil on your walls, like around the base of your walls. I mean, that would be really pretty. That would be a major project, but it was totally doable. You could use regular acrylic paint with these, and if you do that, make sure you use a stencil brush. A stencil brush is flat so that you dab instead of wiping, so that you don't get paint underneath of the stencil. Also, when you're using stencils, use painter's tape to attach them. Don't just hold them up and then try to paint, because you'll slide a little bit and it's hard to get it lined back up. So to keep a nice crisp finish, tape it with painter's tape, and then you won't have to worry about it sliding. Also, if there's a part of the stencil that you don't want to do, you can tape that off with painter's tape. And so let's say you didn't want this flower here. You can just put painter's tape over top of it, and then you don't have to worry about ending up with any color where you don't want it. And then you could just do the rest of the stencil. You can use these with spray paint. Maybe you wanted to do something outside, or maybe you're doing something for a stage set or something like that, or a large project on cardboard, or who knows what you're gonna do. But you could totally put this, tape this up with painter's tape again, lightly spray it. You don't want to spray it too heavy or it will drip, but do a light coat, let that dry, and another light coat. And the paint will come off of this, and even if it doesn't, if it stains the plastic, it's not going to hurt it at all. You can still reuse these. So there's a couple ideas. Another idea is, the big canvases you can buy at the craft store. You could attach one of these to one of those big canvases. You could paint the background. They come white. You could do white if you wanted, but maybe, match your decor, and then attach this to the canvas and then stencil over top of it. Or you could spray paint over top of it. I think that would be a lot messier. But anyway, there's some really cool ideas. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me. These are very good quality. They do not have any sharp edges. I've had stencils before that had sharp edges. These do not. The plastic on these is very thick. You're going to get really good imprints with these, and there's lots of patterns to choose from.